Hey guys, this is Financial Fitness, and I'm about to show you how to cook crappie and brim in your little handy air fryer. I didn't know it could be done until I came home hungry a while ago. Worked all day, came home, mowed grass, came inside, there wasn't a lot to eat. But if you've got a little bit of protein laying around, like I had some laying around from our creek trip the other day, we saw some guys catching some fish, said, yeah, they're biting pretty good. So I came back, got my fishing poles, and we went down there and caught like 15 or 20 of them in about 45 minutes. It was really fun. And they were the perfect size. Let me show you the size of these babies. If you're gonna do whole fries, now this was my grandmother's most favorite way to eat fish, was whole fries. Now there's a difference between a small lake fish, they're usually real thin, and a normal size creek fish. Now creek fish don't get really long, you know, the body of water's smaller, so they're a little bit stumpier, and there's a little bit of current, but they're thicker. That's the difference. So you got to look at these guys. They're not real long, but they're really thick. Well, that baby's about 1.75 inches across the back, and that is perfect for whole fries. So this is, you can't go to the store and get this. You can't. If you don't go catch these fish, you're not ever going to have them. So it's really fun, and it's so rewarding to do, and it tastes wonderful. So I'm going to show you how to cook them, and then I'm going to show you how to eat them at the end of the video, because there's a little trick. There's always a trick. You know that. I'll show you how to eat it without getting a mouthful of bones. Let's go. I wanted to show you, so let's go. It's real simple. Take your nice little crappie and brim, batter them in a little bit of Zatarain's. That's what I used. This stuff's been rolling around in the refrigerator forever. It's out of date and everything else, but it's all right. Most of the skin's going to peel off anyway. I thought about cooking them a little bit and then peeling the skin off. All right, let's go ahead and stick him. Go ahead and hold the bottom. I'm going to stick him right in there. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing with this little guy. Man, these are the perfect whole fryers. My grandmother loved these things. She would be excited. She'd be frying them in some grease. And they would really be good. But this is pretty close. This is pretty good. The only bad part I've noticed from the first time I did it is the tails don't get really crispy, you know, like those regular whole fries. I guess there's just some things you can't do without deep frying it. But it's okay, it's not that big of a deal. I'm still eating fried fish from the creek, and it's going to be awesome. These little boogers are going to be good. Oh, they're going to be good. Okay. That's enough in there. Now, get my wife's oil sprayer all nasty. She'll appreciate that. So, you got them in your little air fryer hopper. Take your oil sprayer and just mist them on one side. Flip them over. Missed them again. Let me get a little bit more on there. I didn't quite. Okay, I'm going to try to get that skin a little bit crispy. And we're going to jam them in here like so. It's so easy to set this thing. 2 moves. Power on, fish. Okay, 3 moves. Play, go. We're going. So, that's it. I didn't flip them or anything. I stuck them in that little magic box and hit the 3 buttons and walked away. I forgot about them. I was doing something in the shop over there, and all of a sudden the alarm went off. It was like, beep, 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 it's done. I came over here, and it was great. So I wanted y'all to know about it. Air fryer just went off. I'm gonna pull these bad boys out of here. Yow, hot. Ooh. So it occurred to me, you probably don't know how to eat fish like this. Not everybody just chops the head off of them and pulls the guts out, scales them, and throws them in some batter in the air fryer. So I'm gonna show you my grandmother's favorite way to eat fish. So you pull, this is a fin right here, and you just kind of work it out. It'll pop out of there. That's some meat. Can't let that go to waste. But you see how they're just popping out of there? When you get all that out of the middle, you'll see how it's clean. Now all the other little bones are right in the center of both sides of the fillet. So you take your fish like a sandwich and you pull it off those bones. You just bite in, not all the way through, and pull. Man, they're so good. This is Financial Fitness. Hit the like button, subscribe, because this is good. I will see you tomorrow.